Hi neighbors, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am so excited because this is a video that I have been wanting to make for a while now, and this is a tour of a 1.8 million euro condo that me and my husband went to see when we went to Portugal on vacation this summer. It was located in the beautiful beach town of Cascais, and I'm just so excited to share it with all of you. My name is Gabby. I'm a real estate broker in Central Jersey, and I create videos about everything real estate in the New Jersey suburbs, New Jersey living, family life, travels, and just everything in between. So if that's something that you'd love to see more of, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and ring the notification bell. Every time my husband and I visit Portugal, we do like to scope out the real estate market. This is because one of our goals is to actually own a second home there, especially because my husband's family still lives in Portugal. They live in a small town called Seixal, right outside of Lisbon. And this summer, our daughter actually spent a whole month there. So I'm so excited to share with you this beautiful home in Cascais. We're on the way to see a house in Portugal. Which town is it? Cascais, right?
Cascais.
We're going to Cascais to see a, what, how much? 1.8?
1.8. 1.8.
1.8 euros. 1.8 million euros in Cascais with a beautiful view of the ocean and pool, a rooftop pool. And I'm here with my driver.
Follow the light, you're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to You don't have to.
So as you can see, this condo is located in one of the most exclusive complexes in Cascais. There's also a security guard there, so you know that you definitely have the privacy, and it's going to be peaceful because only your neighbors will be able to be in this specific complex. So now this modern condo that has 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths is on the 2nd floor, and you would need to take an elevator in order to get there. But one of the things that really stood out to me was this beautiful living area. As soon as you walk in, you'll be greeted by this living space that flows into this huge balcony. And once you step out, you will be in awe of the beautiful views that this condo offers. And you'll be able to see the view of the beach and just the beautiful town of Cascais. The rooms itself are also very spacious. And you are able to also go upstairs to go to your own private rooftop. And not only do you have your own rooftop, but you also have your own private pool, a barbecue area, and 360-degree views of the town and the beach. What more can you ask for? That's what you're paying for, and that's the million euro view right there. So this condo is definitely perfect for entertaining, relaxing. What better way to end your day than to come home to this view? And on top of that, because it's a condo, it's maintenance-free living, super private. You have beautiful views of the ocean, your own private pool in your rooftop, and not to mention there's also a community pool only for its members downstairs. Not to mention that Cascais really is a really sought after town in Portugal, and it's very easy to see why. Its proximity to the beach and 30-minute drive to the airport and the city of Lisbon, it's really a very convenient location. Personally, my husband and I are not only looking at Cascais, but we also are looking at different areas in Portugal that's within that 30 to 45-minute drive to the Lisbon airport, which includes towns like Sintra, Lisbon. We also looked at some properties in Palmela, and my husband's family lives in Seychelles. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts down below. And if you're here because you're actually interested in buying a home in Portugal as well, like me and my husband, do you want to see more videos about buying in Portugal as a non-citizen in Europe? If so, I would love to know so that I can make sure that I create more information about that. Either way, if you're just someone who loves seeing properties, then I'll be sure to make more videos about property tours, especially while we're out traveling, which is one of our favorite things to do. So with that, see you guys in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye.